Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Goldman Sachs Bank. Goldman Sachs is a leading global investment banking, securities and investment management firm. To log in to Goldman Sachs Bank, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with the Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type in www.goldmansachs.com. Then tap on arrow icon on the keyboard. After this, you'll be taken to official website of Goldman Sachs. Now here you can see client login option on the top right. Tap on client login. Now here you need to select your site in which you want to log in. Now here you can tap on the option which is related to bank like private bank. So you can tap on private bank select option. After this, you'll be taken to login page. Now here to log in, you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Goldman Sachs bank account on the given box. After you do so, you need to enter the correct password of your account on the given box. With this, if you don't remember your password, you can tap on reset password option. After you enter all your login information, tap on sign in. With this, now you'll be logged into your Goldman Sachs bank. This is how we can log in Goldman Sachs Bank. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.